Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bugs drone is probably one of the most exciting and versatile gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering an unparalleled perspective for capturing stunning aerial footage and experiencing the world from a bird's-eye view. Whether you're a budding filmmaker looking to add cinematic flair to your projects, an outdoor enthusiast eager to document your adventures from a unique vantage point, or simply someone fascinated by cutting-edge technology, this drone promises to deliver an unforgettable experience with its advanced features and user-friendly design. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. Introducing the Holy Stone HS210, a mini drone designed for effortless fun. It's perfect for beginners and kids, offering features like auto-hovering and 3D flips for an exciting experience. This drone features adjustable speed modes, from low to high, catering to different skill levels. Multiple units can fly together thanks to its 2.4 GHz remote control technology. Enjoy up to 21 minutes of flight with the included 3 batteries. A low battery alarm ensures you won't be caught off guard, keeping the fun going longer. Designed with safety in mind, it features propeller guards to protect users. An emergency stop function allows for immediate landing, ensuring a secure and worry-free flight. Its mini and portable size makes it easy to take anywhere for fun. This makes it a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. When flying multiple drones, power on and pair each one separately. This prevents interference and ensures a smooth flying experience for everyone. What we like. This mini drone is incredibly easy to get started with, featuring a toss to launch function and a safety guard for peace of mind. With 3 included batteries, you get an extended flight time of up to 21 minutes. If you are looking for a fun and safe drone for kids or absolute beginners, this is a fantastic choice for indoor fun. What people say. The drone is very easy to fly and control, even for beginners. The camera quality is excellent, capturing clear and vibrant images. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended flight times. Number 4. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. Experience more excitement than ever before with features like toss to launch, circle fly, and thrilling 3D flips. It's designed to be loved by kids and offers adjustable speeds for every skill level. Enjoy a worry-free flight thanks to its altitude hold function, which keeps it hovering stably. The headless mode ensures intuitive control, making it perfect for beginners and kids. Keep the fun going with 3 included batteries, providing up to 21 minutes of flight time. Never worry about a dead battery or long charging times again. This mini drone is perfect for taking on the go, bringing joy to parties, school, or any outdoor adventure. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays and holidays. Safety is paramount with its protective guards surrounding the propellers. This ensures children are safe from spinning blades and the drone is shielded from damage. To avoid interference when flying multiple units, power on and pair each drone and its remote control separately. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone. What we like. This drone offers a user-friendly experience with features like altitude hold and headless mode, making it perfect for beginners. It also boasts an impressive flight time of up to 21 minutes thanks to its 3 included batteries. If you want a compact and easy-to-fly drone for on-the-go fun, this is an excellent option for parties, school, or travel. What people say. The drone is very easy to fly and the camera quality is excellent. I love the foldable design, it makes it so portable and convenient to carry around. The battery life is impressive, I get about 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 3. Holy Stone HS724K Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial photography with its advanced 4K UHD camera. Built-in stabilization ensures incredibly smooth and vibration-free images and videos, even at high resolutions. See the world from new perspectives with its adjustable lens and 5 GHz FPV transmission. Never lose track of your drone thanks to its smart GPS features. It automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Enjoy hands-free flight with intelligent follow-me modes and custom path flying. Get up to 52 minutes of flight time with the included 2 intelligent batteries. Its powerful yet quiet brushless motors offer efficient performance for a superior flying experience. Even beginners can master this drone with its simple controls. Features like one-key start, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning provide stable hovering and easy handling in various environments. Explore further with an impressive control range of up to 3,000 feet. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. The controller features an LED screen displaying crucial information like battery level and GPS signal. It also offers options for left-handed users and easy control of drone lights. What we like. This drone is equipped with a stunning 4K UHD camera and intelligent GPS flight features, including auto-return and follow-me capabilities. With a total flight time of 52 minutes across 2 batteries, it's perfect for capturing professional quality aerial footage. If you are a photography enthusiast or a serious hobbyist looking for advanced features and long flight durations, this drone is an exceptional pick. What people say. The drone has a 4K camera that captures stunning aerial footage. Its intelligent flight modes, like follow me and waypoint navigation, make capturing professional shots effortless. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 2. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone with 6K Camera. Looking for a high-value tech gift? This drone is ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, or holidays. It's perfect for parent-child activities or capturing travel memories, bringing families together through the joy of flight. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, it eliminates shakes for professional-grade, smooth 4K video and 6K photos. Every moment is preserved in crystal-clear detail, whether you're capturing family reunions or sweeping vistas. Built for those who want zero learning curve. Featuring one-key takeoff landing and a dedicated beginner mode, it offers confident control and stable flight right out of the box. Never worry about losing it. With advanced GPS auto return to home, it automatically returns when the battery is low, signal is lost, or you press a button. Enjoy peace of mind while flying. Maximize your outdoor adventures with 2 intelligent batteries, offering a total of 70 minutes of flying time. It's perfect for extended trips without the constant need for recharging. Powered by a 3-axis gimbal, it delivers smooth, steady footage even in windy conditions. Capture all your adventures with no piloting experience required. Enjoy various smart flight modes like GPS follow and waypoint flight to capture dynamic aerial perspectives with minimal manual control. It's like having a personal photographer for your adventures. What we like. Experience cinematic quality with its 6K camera and a professional 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, ensuring incredibly smooth footage. It offers an impressive 7 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, making it ideal for extended adventures. If you're seeking professional-grade aerial photography and videography with exceptional stability and long flight endurance, this drone is a top-tier choice. What people say. The drone is incredibly stable in flight, even with a slight breeze. The camera quality is surprisingly good for its size, capturing clear and vibrant images. It's very easy to set up and fly, making it a great option for beginners. Number 1. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial scenery with its 1080p HD camera. The 112 degrees wide-angle lens helps you capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings without interruption. This drone is small yet mighty, packed with intuitive features in a foldable frame. It provides complete freedom for creation, and its carrying case makes it easy to take anywhere. Creating stunning content is easier than ever with automatic takeoff and precise hovering. Enjoy a more streamlined and safer flight experience, with added fun from high-speed rotation. It's a must-have for beginners, equipped with intelligent functions like emergency stop and altitude hold. Its user-friendly features, including long flight time, are perfect for practice. Control your flight with ease using voice commands or simple gestures. This makes piloting the drone incredibly intuitive and fun for everyone. What we like. This drone features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and unique voice and gesture control capabilities for intuitive operation. It offers a good flight time of up to 20 minutes and a convenient foldable design with a carrying case. If you are a beginner or a young enthusiast looking for a fun, feature-rich, and portable drone with innovative control methods, this is a great option. What people say. The drone is incredibly stable in flight, even with a slight breeze. The camera quality is surprisingly good for the price point, capturing clear and vibrant images. Battery life is impressive, allowing for extended flight times of up to 25 minutes on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.